Welcome. Today we'll be talking about the cash disbursement system. The cash disbursement system processes the payment of obligation created in the purchases system. The objective of this system is to ensure that only valid creditors receive the payment and that amounts paid are timely and correct. If the system makes the payment early, the firm will earn interest income, but if the obligations are paid late, the firm will lose the purchase discount. Now, let's talk about the process. First, we have to identify the liabilities due in the accounts payable department. And then, we have to prepare the cash disbursement based on the voucher packet sent by the accounts payable department to the cash disbursement department. The clerk will review the documents for the completeness and clerical accuracy to prepare a check and also record the disbursement journal in the check register. The disbursement journal will include the check number, dollar amount, voucher number, and other important data. And then the clerk will send the check to the supplier and attach the copy to the voucher packet to be returned to the accounts payable department, and they have to update the accounts payable record. The last process is posting to general ledger. So the general ledger function will receive the journal voucher from the cash disbursement department and the account summary from the accounts payable department. Based on both documents, the accounts payable and the cash accounts will be updated.
After preparing payroll, company will distribute the payroll. Many companies use paymaster to distribute the paychecks to customer. This individual is independent of the payroll process. They are not involved in payroll authorization or preparation tasks. After distributing paychecks, the account payable clerk reviews the payroll register for correctness and prepares copies of a cash disbursement voucher for the amount of the payroll. The clerk records the voucher in the voucher register and submits the voucher packet to cash disbursement. A copy of the disbursement voucher is sent to the general ledger function. Upon receipt of the voucher packet, the cash disbursement function prepares a single check for the entire amount of the payroll and deposits it in the payroll interest account. The employee paychecks are drawn on this account, which is used only for payroll. Funds must be transferred from the general cash account to this impressed account before the paychecks can be cashed. Finally, a journal voucher is prepared and sent to the general ledger function. Finally, the general ledger functions receives the labor distribution summary from cost counting, the disbursement voucher from AP, and the journal voucher from cash disbursement. With this information, the general ledger's debits and credits must be equal.